Hi, I'm Denise Lamar, Director for School Nutrition with Union County Public Schools.
And I'm Cindy Marion, Director of School Nutrition with Yadkin County Schools. And we're here to talk today about buying, storing, receiving, and cooking sweet potatoes. Hey Denise, take a look at these beautiful North Carolina sweet potatoes. They vary in color from white to orange, even purple. North Carolina sweet potatoes have a wonderful flavor from mild to the delicious sweet of these orange ones.
And North Carolina sweet potatoes are a superfood. They're high in nutrition, they're very economical, and we can use them in a variety of ways in school meals. So how do you pick a great sweet potato?
This is a great sweet potato.
Well, it is a great sweet potato, but not really great for school lunch. So why don't we look at something like this box of North Carolina Covington sweet potatoes. They're great for school food. They're the correct size, bright orange, full of great flavor, and I think this would be a good choice for any school meal. When your potatoes arrive at your school, make sure that you check them for uniformity and make sure you inspect them to make sure there's no decay.
A USDA number 1 potato should be what you're speccing for school food service. If we get a number 2 potato, those potatoes are usually used as canners or they're usually used for processing. You can see how much smaller those potatoes are. A jumbo potato, such as this one, would be used for processing for fries or purees. You want to request a USDA number 1 that has been cured and has maintained a handling temperature of 55 to 60 degrees after curing to its destination. Never store your sweet potatoes in a cooler. You want to maintain a temperature above 55 degrees. Store them in a stockroom with good ventilation. This will help maintain the starches and keep your sweet potatoes sweet.
A 40-pound case of sweet potatoes will yield you 65 to 70 baked potatoes. It would also do you about 110 to 130 half-cup servings if you use your sweet potatoes to make another dish.
So where can you buy North Carolina sweet potatoes? You can actually get them from our North Carolina Farm to School program. We have fresh North Carolina sweet potatoes multiple times a year on our Farm to School program. You can get them from your local produce distributor. You can also source them from a local farmer. Make sure that farmer has a GAP certified program or a similar food safety program in place.
A good way to find recipes for the North Carolina sweet potatoes is by using the Farm to School cookbook. There are a lot of wonderful recipes in here and are very simple and geared right for school nutrition. We also have value-added products such as sweet potato puree, canned sweet potatoes, tots, fries. There are lots of options for using sweet potatoes on our menu.
Using value-added products is an excellent way to use some of your commodity dollars for net-off invoice.
Adding North Carolina sweet potatoes is an excellent nutritional choice and is great for their students, and they love our sweet potatoes.
Enjoy your North Carolina sweet potato today.